Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel. I'm bringing you a cold start walk around video today. We're down here in the West Bottoms, downtown Kansas City. We're doing the cold start walk around video not too far from the shop. I don't like it in the shop. It gets full of smoke quick and fumey, and the neon or the LED lights make it hard to get a good feel for the truck. So it's not technically a cold start. I drove it about a mile to where I'm at, so that's the runtime on it. But we got an 06 Ford F250, really nice truck, XLT Powerstroke. Spent most of its life in California up until 2014, so it's virtually rust free. There is no rust under these fender flares. We put them on, they look immaculate. But we're gonna hop in it and cold start it today. It's an XLT package, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Nothing too fancy, but still a really nice truck. Great miles too, I'll tell you what. 121,329. And there you can see how cold we are. I mean, we're not warm by any means, but the tranny has a little bit of temp on it. Not really on the engine. Truck fires right up. We've put about that. It was full when we got it, so about that much, maybe a couple hundred miles on it. This truck runs amazing. It is a stock motor, dealer maintained, garage kept truck. It does not have any mechanical hiccups, does not do anything weird, checks out on a scanner. I mean, injectors, transmission, everything, head gaskets, great condition on this truck. Great low miles, low wear and tear. It's an XLT. It does have the OEM trailer brakes, four-wheel drive on the fly, AC and heat work, 6-disc in-dash, good radio, good tunes. Seating for 6, you got the jump seat in the middle. There's no rips or tears, but I mean, it's a gray cloth in a work truck, so you got a couple little dirt stains, but nothing crazy. A couple little, I don't know if those are burns, they look more like stains. There's no damage in the material, but a couple of stains on the headliner. Nothing out of control. And we do have a new detail over here at 816 Diesel. We got a new guy in the shop doing our details. He's really talented, so you might be seeing some nicer trucks coming in these videos. So just forewarning you, we're trying to step our game up and keep up with the competition. So yeah, all in all, this truck really good condition inside and out. We did paint to match accessories, so the 08 style tow mirrors are paint to match, and they're nice. They took them down, sanded them, cleared them, like they are shining. And we did the fender flares as well. But let's pop the hood, go out, walk around it. Like I said, stock under the hood, everything, EGR, all that, it's all intact. Couple new batteries in it. Truck has zero blow-by whatsoever. Going into high idle. It is pretty cold out today. It's 35 degrees downtown Kansas City. We do have some chrome peeling on the grill. Super common for that to peel off. These grills are cheap. If you want us to throw one on, we can. Harley Davidson headlights with a black Ford emblem on the grill. Looks pretty slick. 20 by 12 wheels. They stick out a little bit, so there's the view. Negative 44 offset. They look great though. We're sporting a 20 by 12 Cali Summit, negative 44 offset, 35-inch amp all-terrain tires, terrain grippers, brand new, 40,000 mile warranty on the rubber, factory running boards, tint. There's not a lot of damage to point out on this truck. I'm looking at this side and it is spotless. Rockers spotless too, just like you want to see. Very clean underside. Same with the bed rails. No rust, no crumble whatsoever. Very nice. Smoked LED third brake, smoked tail lights. We have a Truxedo leather rolling locking tonneau cover. Truck's got a spray and bed liner, no fifth wheel hitch, never had a gooseneck in it. Really nice little cover though. Factory tow package. I mean, I still haven't pointed out any damage or paint imperfections. Here's one. Seen this one. Just a little bend right by that tail light. Tail lights are dusty from sitting in my shop. They polish out real nice. Stock exhaust, nice and quiet. As far as condition under here, it's pretty much the same. Virtually rust-free all across. Like I said, the truck originally was in California the first half of its life. Hasn't had a lot of time in the Midwest as far as miles go. But it is a 2-owner rig. Oh, I gotta unlock it. We need to go through the inside and check it out a little better. But honestly, with this truck, it's so nice. It does have the under the seat storage, so all the seats come up and the metal trays flip out, which comes in handy if you're going to throw a toolbox in the back seat or something. Like I said, seat belts for 6. Got a sliding window on the rear. Got a nice straight line on the cab there, so the bed hasn't been beat up on. We got power adjustable seats on both sides. A couple stains in the carpet. No funny smells. It's not a smoker's truck. No rust down low by the doors either, which is nice because a lot of these trucks tend to get it down low on these doors. This truck has none of it. Well, you guys know the drill. This is one of the nicer trucks. It's got a beautiful look to it. We've sold a couple of these silver ones and we don't change them up much. Black wheels, black accessories always does the trick. But 816diesel.com. Head over to the website, check it out. We're located downtown Kansas City, Missouri in the West Bottoms. We got a nice warehouse down here, so if you're interested in this truck, head over to the website. Pictures, VIN, all that information is going to be listed over on the website. My contact information, if you want to text me or get a hold of me on my cell, my name's Cameron. It's 913-735-3748. Shoot me a text, give me a call. Let me know if you got any questions about the truck or if you want to come check it out. But this one will not disappoint. So I appreciate your guys' time. I hope everyone had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Getting back to the grind. So let me know what you think of this one, guys. Thank you.